Alright, as you can clearly see here, some big bird has pooped on my extremely rare and valuable Swedish car. Now, got this letter from the government. Here, it says washing of vehicles is prohibited except at commercial car washes or by mobile high pressure, low volume commercial services. Which means if I wash that bird poop off my car myself, I'm going up the river to the big house. And they ask me what I'm in for. I have to say, I washed my car. Don't think I would tattoo that on my neck. Don't think I'd get any cred in the lockup for washing my car. So let's see. First violation, $100. Second violation, $200. Third violation, not more than $500. So maybe I have to wash my car 4 times before I'm in lockdown. So I don't know. I think I'll wait for the bird poop to accumulate for a few more weeks before I take that chance. My extremely rare, valuable, poopy Swedish classic collector car.